workers, we eat some food. So we see the plates are not hygienic. They wash the plates, but they use the same water ample number of times. And it is not purified also. It is very unhygienic. I got motivated for this project one time when I went to a hawker to eat noodles. So at the same day at night, I had a severe stomach ache. Doctor said, you are suffering from food poisoning. So I thought many people will have problem. So we have made our project Smarty Washer.
The solution of a project. First, we will put here dirty cutlery. It will pressure wash the cutleries. Then we will put the cutleries in this. It is the scrubbing and the soap water. Then we again put our cutleries in the sprinkler, the fast sprinkler. Then we will put our cutleries to the dryer.
This is how our project will work. First, this bottle will be filled. Then, when you will put the switch on, this motor will start and the pressure washer will start. When you will switch off this, so this will stop working. So after it is filled, so you can open the tap. The water will come here and you can start the switch. So now the water from this will again come here and we have attached a filtration system in it.
Now I am going to show our first step. As you can see, the plate is so dirty and rusty. Now I am putting the plate inside it.
As you can see, now the plate is clean.
Now the second stage is,
as you can see, I placed this between the scrub and
the soap water is coming out and the plate is getting scrubbed. Now our third stage is,
again we will use pressure washer.
now fourth part is the dryer.
As you can see, I kept the plate in the dryer. Possible volume for our project for now is 10 and we want the funding of 50,000 and the making cost of our project is 2,500 and we will sell this project in 3,500. The raw materials are easily available in the market. We bought them singular pieces from the market, so it was costly. But when we will do the bulk order, so it will be cheaper. Our ATM mentor and we are more than sufficient for making this project till now. In further, for bulk orders, we will need skilled workers and machineries. Thank you.